Hey everybody, Brian from AMS Performance here to show you our carbon fiber intake for the A90 Supra. Like a lot of the other things we make, we wanted to make sure this fit directly into the stock car without any need for cutting or modifications, with an easy install. We're using a lot of the factory fittings, grommets and things like that, so this does go right in. It fits right onto the factory inlet. The factory temperature sensor and PCV go right into the tube. We have a grommet here that allows the tube to move relative to the box with engine movement. It does rock around quite a bit when you're going on and off power, especially at full torque. We also, of course, wanted to get cold air coming in, so that's why, again, we're reusing the original inlet, and we want to have a freer flowing package. And one of the things that we found that was very interesting throughout our testing and seeing a lot of the other things that are out there is how much horsepower do I get with this particular package. We actually put a very, very large turbo on our drag car, put it on the dyno and ran it with the stock tune, and it made exactly the same power. And you could see the same result with this. A lot of these modern cars have torque-based targets and other targets that aren't always visible directly through tuning, and sometimes the car will go and correct for what you're doing, but as tuning evolves, as we learn more, we can extract from more efficient parts. So what we measured was the pressure drop and efficiency of this intake as we were engineering it. We have a pretty substantial gain in intake pressure. We've got good temps coming out of it, so everything's nice and cool. It works very, very well, but again, it won't bolt on and get you direct power. We did find pretty significant power gains in our testing, but what's interesting to know is that the way the stock car and stock turbo work is there's a very large torque spike early in the RPM, so it'd be pretty straightforward for us to cherry pick a gain of, you'd say, oh yeah, 20, 30 horsepower, no problem, but does that matter to you? Does that 20 or 30 horsepower really make a difference for a brief moment at 3,000 RPM? What you're more worried about, I would assume, is top-end performance when you're on it, when you're drag racing, when you're road racing. And there the gains are a little bit smaller, but the efficiency is up. So when you start putting on bigger turbochargers, as tuning evolves, the efficiency gain that we get with our pressure drop is much more important. And we'll show you some dyno and data videos on that a little bit later as we learn more and more with this product. But for now, it's beautiful, it fits right in, and it's on the shelf ready to go. For more info on this product, check us out at amsperformance.com. Thanks for watching.
Visit amsperformance.com today.